Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. In this video, we're taking a look at https://api.wisebanyan.com. This URL points to the API documentation for WiseBanyan, a now defunct robo-advisor platform. While WiseBanyan itself is no longer operational, examining its API endpoint can offer valuable insights for developers. Understanding how this particular API was structured can be a useful learning experience, especially when exploring financial APIs or designing similar systems. Accessing this link likely won't provide a user-friendly interface or any functional tools since the service is discontinued. Instead, you might encounter a bare-bones display of API documentation, error messages, or simply a blank page. However, archived versions of the WiseBanyan website and its API documentation might exist online. Investigating these resources could reveal further details about its functionality and features. For those interested in financial technology and API development, studying discontinued services like WiseBanyan can be enlightening. It provides a practical example of how these systems are built, the information they handle, and the potential challenges they face. While you can't actively use the WiseBanyan API, analyzing its structure, if accessible, can offer valuable lessons for building and understanding similar platforms. Remember, exploring these remnants of past technologies provides a unique perspective on the evolution and complexities of the financial tech landscape. Examining this particular API can offer a glimpse into the design choices and considerations involved in creating a robo-advisor platform. Though defunct, it remains a valuable case study for developers and anyone interested in the intersection of finance and technology.